the 2025 Volkswagen Polo has arrived, blending refined design, advanced tech, and performance in a compact yet premium package. This new iteration builds on the success of its predecessors while offering significant upgrades across the board. In this video, we'll break down all the key components of the 2025 Polo, their features, and estimated prices, so everything you need to know in just 8 minutes. Starting with the exterior, the Polo now boasts a sleeker design language inspired by Volkswagen's ID series. The front grille has been slightly reworked with a more aerodynamic profile and a slim LED light bar connecting the newly designed IQ Light Matrix LED headlamps. These adaptive headlights offer excellent visibility and dynamic light adjustment, a feature previously reserved for higher-end models. The estimated price for the full LED lighting setup is around $1,200 if purchased separately or as part of a premium package. The side profile retains the classic Polo silhouette but with sharper character lines and new alloy wheel designs ranging from 15 to 17 inches. The wheels themselves can cost between $400 to $900 per set depending on the design and finish. Moving to the rear, the LED tail lamps have a new animated lighting signature, and the bumper gets subtle tweaks that add a sporty edge. Under the hood, the 2025 Polo offers a choice of efficient engines. The base variant comes with a 1.0-litre TSI petrol engine delivering around 95 horsepower, while the higher trims offer a 1.5-litre TSI Evo engine producing 150 horsepower with cylinder deactivation for fuel efficiency. There's also a mild hybrid option with a 48 volts system. Engine upgrade costs can range from $1,500 to $3,000 depending on the configuration. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual and a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic. A DSG upgrades typically add $1,200 to $1,500 to the cost. Inside, the Polo continues to impress. The digital cockpit is now standard on most variants with the 10.25-inch customizable display. The new 10-inch infotainment touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The system runs on Volkswagen's latest MIB3 platform, offering quicker response times and over-the-air updates. The infotainment system, if purchased as an upgrade, is priced at around $900 to $1,100. Comfort-wise, the new Polo features improved interior materials, ambient lighting, and redesigned seats with better lumbar support. Optional features include a panoramic sunroof, estimated cost, $1,000. Dual-zone automatic climate control, $700, and a premium Beats audio system priced at approximately $600. Safety has also seen a boost. Standard features include lane assist, front assist with autonomous emergency braking, and pedestrian monitoring. Higher trims add adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and rear traffic alert. Bundled safety features can cost an additional $1,500 to $2,000. Boot space remains a class-leading 351 liters, and the rear seats offer a 60 hours 40 minutes split for extended cargo flexibility. For families or urban drivers, this adds real utility. In terms of pricing, the base model of the 2025 Volkswagen Polo starts around $21,000, with mid-range variants costing approximately $24,000 to $26,000. The fully loaded GT line or R-line variants can go up to $28,000 to $30,000, depending on options. Overall, the 2025 Polo continues to redefine what a premium hatchback can be, delivering style, technology, and performance in one neat package. Whether you're a city commuter or someone who values German engineering in a compact form, the new Polo is worth a serious look.